right? And your optimal lock. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. A little bit about everything. Today I am going to be spending the day on the mill. I have some 50 boards I have to cut 1x6s, 8 feet long, and they're going to be from whatever I can get out of my whatever's left of my cedar pile. And at the end of the day, we'll take a look and see what I got, or how long it took me to saw that much, and what happened, and could I go faster? The mill does what it wants. It's old. If it breaks down, it breaks down. If it doesn't, then it's a good day. It's an LT40, and I have made a few repairs to this, but my latest repair, which is not that long ago, is this coil. I replaced the coil. It was cracked, and what was happening was I was locking the engine up with fuel, and it was like once in a while I'd get a spark, and I thought something wrong with the carburetor. So I took it apart and couldn't find anything wrong with it. The needle valve seemed okay, yet I was still loading the thing up with fuel, and the float might have been working, but it was coming out the air horn where you put the air filter. There are 6 breather tubes there, and they're to regulate the atmospheric pressure between the fuel bowl and the venturi, right? So you want atmospheric pressure in the fuel bowl so that the vacuum works and sucking out fuel out of the carburetor, right? And it runs it through the metering jets. That's how that works. So anyways, I'm going to spend the day on it and see what happens. Okay. Start off with a fresh blade. Going to set the tracking on it, make sure it's okay. So I've been trying to get 1x6s like I said, and so far I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I got some of this. Now I can do something with this, right? Even though it could be a 1x4 or anything else. I use small sections of this and make something with it, right? So I put in like, I don't know, maybe 5 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 59. 59 boards, and these imperfect boards.